Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix the issue of sending snaps without uploading any media. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If your connection is weak or unstable, switch to a faster and more reliable one. Once you have done that, open the Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. Check if an update is available. If so, tap Update and wait for it to complete. Then try using Snapchat again. Then go to your phone setting and tap on Apps. Search for Snapchat, then go into Storage. From there tap Clear Cache. You can also go to Manage Storage and choose to delete the app data. After doing this, log back into your account and tap on your profile at the top. Go into your settings and scroll down to find bugs and suggestions. Tap on Report a bug. Then choose the Friends category. Under Topic, select Snaps and describe the problem. Snapchat support should reach out to help you resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of sending snaps without media. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.